Consuming foods that are not acidic may prevent you from a variety of health problems when you consume them in the future. There is a school of thought among dietitians that maintains that by following an alkaline diet, it is possible to alter the pH levels of your body, which can aid in the prevention of diseases over the long run. The pH of our bodies can change depending on a number of factors, such as how well they work. Our gut, for instance, has an acidic pH because it is necessary for the correct digestion of food. In spite of the fact that the pH of human blood is more alkaline, ranging from 7.2 to 7.5, it is the kidney's job to maintain a moderate pH level through the production of urine. Therefore, certain parts of our bodies are more acidic than others, and the same can be said for the foods that we consume. We will discuss the alkaline diet as well as 5 foods that are alkaline which can assist you in leading a significantly healthier lifestyle, hence reducing the risk of developing diseases and chronic problems. Before we move on, I would like to make it clear that everything that is discussed in this video has been thoroughly researched, confirmed by experts in the field of medicine, and is completely objective. So now, let's get into a discussion about the 5 alkaline foods that you absolutely must have in your diet. Number 1. Lemons. Some people may find it difficult to believe this, yet lemons are considered alkaline foods. When we consume or drink something that contains citric acid, the citric acid that we obtain from squeezing a lemon does not transform into acid. After it has been metabolized, it starts to have an alkaline effect on your body. In addition, lemons have a high concentration of alkaline minerals and nutrients, such as magnesium and potassium. Iron, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and B are all found in abundance in them. In addition, lemons possess powerful antibacterial, antiviral, and immune-enhancing capabilities. In addition to assisting with digestion and promoting healthy skin, they cleanse and detoxify our bodies. Keeping yourself hydrated and contributing to a healthier lifestyle can be accomplished by drinking a couple glasses of water with lemon on a daily basis. Number 2. Carrots. Carrots are among the most beneficial alkaline vegetables that you can include in your diet, since they can assist you in avoiding acid reflux. They offer a wealth of minerals, vitamins, and nutrients, all of which have the potential to reduce the likelihood of acquiring major ailments. A high concentration of biotin, beta-carotene, fiber, and potassium may be found in carrots. Furthermore, they are a source of vitamin A, vitamin K1, and vitamin B6. Additionally, carrots have powerful antioxidant effects on the body, which benefit the health of the eyes and even aid in weight loss. It is important to keep in mind that the pH level of carrots might change depending on the specific method that is used to prepare them. After being pureed, carrots have a pH level that is somewhat lower than that of raw carrots. Number 3. Cucumbers. There are a lot of alkaline electrolytes in cucumbers, which assist your body keep hydrated and fresh even after a night out on the town. They're also able to assist you in shedding excess pounds. In place of unhealthy snacks, you may substitute a few slices of cucumber and you will experience the same level of satisfaction and contentment. In addition, cucumbers are an excellent source of vitamins K, C, and B, as well as amino acids, soluble and insoluble fiber, manganese, biotin, micronutrients, and magnesium. It's true that cucumbers are delicious. Number 4. Spinach. Foods that are commonly considered to be alkaline include leafy green vegetables, and spinach is a powerful example of this. Carotenoids, vitamin K, vitamin A, flavonoids, and chlorophyll are just some of the antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can be found in rich quantities in this food. You are providing your body with a healthy dose of potassium, iron, magnesium, calcium, and folate when you consume spinach. All of these nutrients have a remarkable alkaline effect. Go ahead and consume your spinach, everyone. Number 5. Blueberries. The antioxidant properties of blueberries are so powerful that they can improve the health of both your heart and your brain. They lessen the effects of oxidative stress and help your body maintain its youthful appearance for a longer period of time. On their own, they have an acidic nature. However, after they are digested, they have an alkaline influence on your internal environment. The blueberries can be incorporated into your smoothies and salads, or you can simply consume them on a daily basis as a snack. You should structure your diet around the pH of the foods you eat, but you should also consider the variations that occur as the body metabolizes the nutrients. Even if they are acidic on their own, certain foods have the ability to bring about alkalization in the body. Also, several of these alkaline foods have a higher pH level if they are cooked or dried, so you should take that into consideration as well. Have you found this video helpful? To view further videos that are just as helpful as this one, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to get latest informative videos.